Hi, today in front of me VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now just by pressing hold to the power key to the down volume button, we can see that when the screen is off, we can see that the camera application is activated, and if you want to change this option, for example, to use the torch or another application, first open the settings and tap the shortcuts and accessibility, then tap the quick action and switch open camera to open Facebook, recording, turn on turn off torch, or open another application. Just select the app. For example, let's use the Gmail application. So now just let's lock the device. Let's press and hold the down button, and we can see that the Gmail successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.